Okay, so now let's make the third bracelet. So I am going to be using this little leaf that I have right here. I'm going to be using that. And then I'm going to be using some of these yellow beads in this container. They're the same beads as the pink and green ones. And I think I'm going to be using blue too. Yeah, so I'm going to be using those two colors. A little bit of the metallic beads too. I'm going to pull those out. I think I'm only going to use 3 the gold and probably 3 of the silver. All right. So now let's get our elastic string again that we used the first time. Let's get started. So first I'm going to start off by putting the leaf onto the bracelet first. That's how we're going to start it off. And we're going to add the silver on there now. And then on the other side, we are going to do the gold. It rolled right off. It's okay. I got it. So it's looking like this so far. All right, next, let's grab our yellow beads. So I'm going to do 4 of the yellow on the same side as the gold. It just be rolling because it just slips right out of my hand. The string is so thin and tiny. All right, now we're going to do 4 of the blue. This side with the silver. I like this blue and I like this yellow. Very pretty colors, especially because we're going into the springtime, so they're very spring colors. So this is what it looks like so far. Next, I'm going to close these up. Guys, in the comments below on this video, I want you to let me know if you would like to see me make more bracelets more often on the channel. Because if you do, I definitely will do it more often. Alright, we're going to take this off of the container and add it on the floor so that the beads don't go rolling off of the string or anything like that. Because sometimes that do happen. And I don't want that. Yeah, it was about to slip off on the other side. So that's why you can't add too many beads on here. And as you're putting the beads on the bracelet, make sure you're pushing it down so that the beads don't end up all the way at the edge of the bracelet to the point where it's making the other side of the bracelet nearly come off. Well, the beads, I mean, that's on the bracelet. Sorry for all the sniffing. I'm currently just now getting over a cold that I recently had. So, yeah, bear with me. Like I said, the more knots you put in it, the better. It will not pop at all. That's the best part about these strings. They're very stretchable. And I feel like when you stretch them out and stuff like this, it makes the length of it longer too. So I really like these strings. They're really good to have for when you do bracelets. All right. And cut it like how we did the other ones, but don't cut it too close to where the knots are. All right, perfect. And here we have it. So cute. They're so cute. Now I want you guys to see how they all look together. I'm gonna put them all on at the same time. Check it out. Cute. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.